Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect two iPhones together. Let's get started. The easiest way to connect two iPhones: first unlock both iPhones, open settings on both iPhones. Now tap on General, then scroll down and tap on AirDrop. Select contacts only or everyone on both iPhones. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on, Bluetooth is on. On the first iPhone, open photos, files, contacts or notes. Select the item you want to save, then tap share icon. Tap the other iPhone name. The two iPhones are now connected and sharing data using Apple AirDrop. And that's it. Now you know how to connect two iPhones together. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.